everyone, welcome back to another video. For today, I will be teaching you how you can turn on dark mode on your Snapchat. First step, open Snapchat on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once opened, just press the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. This will lead you to a new page where you just have to press the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and scroll down until you see the app appearance option. Just press this and here you'll see different options such as match system, always light, and always dark. Just choose always dark for your Snapchat account to always be on dark mode. This will also protect your eyes from too much brightness and from being strained. You can also easily turn this back into light mode by going to settings and again going to app appearance. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.